Oh my God, it's going to be raining again. I pray with God it will be raining for next 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, because I am not expecting more rain.
white line shot.
No, come closer, come closer. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. So, I just had my one coffee. Oh, but the water is coming inside my car. I don't know what is the shop name here. Green cafeteria. I am going green? No. I just like to go red now. What about green? Enter. They just put the umbrella in the cashier area, no? Yep, I'm going to buy one nice umbrella. But this is all for ladies, right? Ladies umbrella? Let's buy an umbrella before finish this karak. Because when I was checking a karak and there is no more rain, what is the benefits of buying umbrella, right? 1, 2, 3. Where can I throw these things? Okay, it's raining, too much raining. I see some people just walking with them. I don't know what is that. This is what? Wow. Let me throw this. Okay. Let's go inside this umbrella and checking around. It's raining inside Doha. I finally got it. Okay. Nice umbrella. It's raining in Doha. Yeah. So now it's amazing. Yeah. I got too much water, you see? Oh. It's coming water. It's coming from Doha. Yep. Oh my God, this is the way to my home. Oh my God, how do I go inside? As I heard the news in Qatar, today will be a 4% cold than yesterday, you know. Now the cold is almost started inside Qatar, so you have to prepare for leather jackets, to wear it to front side. I found like this. See here. Oh my God, how do I go there? In Qatar shop, small bakala, they don't sell umbrella because there is no chances of raining. So let's go to another shop. But it's almost over. You know, while raining, I wanted to go to Doha, but I'm little far and I'm not having car, you know. But it's fine. I was looking for one umbrella, but it's showing me only kid size. But I don't know. Let's open. It's 15 real. Oh, it's very small. No more. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today for the first time in Qatar, I'm going to buy an umbrella because it's raining today. Today is Monday, and when I was inside my room, I was like something different, you know. I feel something different. So when I came out of my room, I found there is raining. You see, all the waves. Yep. Yeah, it's raining now. So yeah. But I'm still late. I wake up little late because the rain is almost over. But you can see still water on the road and people just taking chai, karak, coffee and cigarettes, you know. They are smoking. They enjoy smoking. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you here. Here you go. Up. Yeah. Oh my God, I am under the tree. But the rain is almost over. I don't know. You can see. Let's see outside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is this Qatar or where? Wow. You will see the water is splashing. Wow. Yeah. So after finish World Cup, the another event, big event today, the rain. They never expect, Qatari people, they never expect rain. But today there is a big rain. Oh my god, I need to buy an umbrella. Yep. I need to buy an umbrella. Wow. Yep. Okay, let's go and buy one cheap umbrella for the first time in Qatar. I am almost wet. Oh my god. Yeah, they are splashing me, Oh my god. Many people are missing this event. You see? Here? No? This is Qatar. Many Europeans, many Americans, many foreigners, they left this country and now it's raining here. Oh my god, I'm not even able to walk. It's full of water. The cars are inside the water, like they are parking in the sea. You see? Okay. This is the shop. I'm going to buy an umbrella. Okay. Let's see how cheap it is. I don't even have money, but I have to buy because you don't know. Maybe continuously raining in Qatar from tomorrow. So I already asked for umbrella. Do you have umbrella, bro? Can you show me the nice one, cheap one? Huh? This is for baby or for big people? How much?
Kid size.
Kid size. How much? 15? I was looking for one umbrella, but it's showing me only kid size. But I don't know. Let's open. It's 15 real. Oh, it's very small. No more. They don't have a good umbrella inside the shop. In the Bakala. Rain will be over now. I came here to buy one umbrella, but they have only kid size, In Qatar shop, small Bakala, they don't sell umbrella because there is no chances of raining. So let's go to another shop. But it's almost over. There is no more raining now. So why should I buy umbrella? Maybe tomorrow. So let's go to the intersection there. Maybe there will be water stuck and you can see car start splashing from there. Okay. Then they will make me wait like that. So luckily my money is saved, and unluckily I am not able to buy an umbrella. Why like this? While raining, I wanted to go to Doha, but I'm little far and I am not having car, But it's fine, I enjoy it. At least when I wake up, it was raining a little. I get to wait, and when I see some cars splashing me, and still I can see the extra water on the ground. I'll show you some nice clips, okay? As I heard the news in Qatar, today will be a 4% cold than yesterday, Now the cold is almost started inside Qatar, so you have to prepare for leather jackets to wear it to save your body from cold, Yeah, you can see the clear environment outside Doha. There's some water stuff like this. Yeah, good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, too much water, you see? Oh. Dang it. It's going water. The water is coming from Doha. Yep. Oh my god, this is the way to my home. Oh my god, how do I go inside? How do I go inside? I don't know. Oh my god, full of water. Full of water. It's very cold water, you see? I'm almost inside the water. Yep. So I just took around from the opposite side of my house. I mean back side of my house, and when I was trying to go back from front side, I found like this. See here. Oh my God, how do I go there? How do I pass to my house? Full of water. You see? Full of water here. It's all water. It's all water. Oh. I just like to show you how they used to splash me when I was in Nepal and there was raining, you know. The cars coming in a very high speed and they just like to splash you, and you are wearing white shirt and you are going to school. That's too bad. But here I don't know what they do. Okay. I just like to show you. Yep. But no car is passing now. I was waiting for some beautiful cars to be dirty from here, but no one is passing by. Let's wait for a few minutes, then you will see. Oh my god, you see? Yep. You see car here now, how they are going inside. Oh my god. Wow. This is full of water. How they are passing. No problem. Oh my god, it's going to be raining again. I pray with God it will be raining for next 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, because I am not expecting more rain. But whoever expecting, maybe the God will fulfill their wishes, you know. But it's coming rain again. If again there will be raining, so I must have to buy an umbrella. I'll go and look for it. I'll reserve it, but I'll not buy it for now. But if there will be raining, I will buy it. Okay, I'll buy it. Oh my god, guys, it's again raining. I don't know what is the crazy weather or it's a good weather. I have no idea. But I must have to buy one good umbrella, you know. Like there is. It's still raining. I'm getting wet now. But nobody is having umbrella here. Okay, let's go and check inside one shop if they have umbrella or not. Okay. Yeah. I'm not looking for expensive umbrella. Just 15-20 reals one, cheap one. You know, I don't have money. In this shop also there is no umbrella. You know, all they finished. I don't know when they finished, but there is no more umbrella inside this supermarket. I checked to a small market. People will comment me that you have to go to Carrefour, you have to go to Ansar Gallery, you have to go to Lulu, but I am not going to buy from there. I know there will be. Like maybe you may suggest that you go to Nepal and buy one umbrella, come back. No. What I mean, there is no chances of raining, you know, before. And nobody is expecting that they are going to buy an umbrella and there will be raining. They will walk like this all over the Doha and they will go to work by having their umbrella. No. But let's try another one, last one. And if there is no umbrella, I'll just go back to my house and I'll just have one small karak, you know. Do you know karak? Have you ever tried karak in Qatar? Oh my god, I am feeling cold now. It's a small one, not that much, you know. But this place is good, you know. There is no water stock in the ground. Yeah. It's still raining. You will feel today until evening. Small raining. Oh, let's go and buy in the Step and Shop there. Okay, there is one like kind of medium shop. I used to buy things from there. So let's go directly there and buy one nice umbrella, okay? They have only restaurant and food items and massage, spa, haircut, some ruffle time, I don't know what's that. Lila Cafe. Oh, I see. People they are buying umbrella and having umbrella, okay? I'll show now. Yeah. Maybe they are going to work. Okay. Let's take a selfie with them. I don't know how good it is. Yep. You can see people with umbrella. Yep. Okay. Me also, I want one umbrella. Nice one. I don't know, they have idea or not that I took a small selfie for my thumbnail with them. These people, they are passing over there. It's raining, I am getting wet. But I didn't find the umbrella. But the good thing, this place, there is no more water stock in the road, you know, like my house there. On the way to my house, I cannot pass from there. Oh, I must have to buy one umbrella. There's the umbrella here. You see, I'm not lying, you guys. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. You see, it's raining. Yep, it's raining. I'm getting wet. I am almost wet now. Let me go and buy one umbrella, good umbrella, okay? Not a normal one, but cheap one. I don't have money. Just buy one instant Karak first. Yeah. I just need Karak right now. I just need one Karak right now, okay? And this is the Karak house place, Karak Mechanics. Yep. Why people are not having umbrella? They are just taking around without umbrella. Unbelievable. They don't feel wet. They don't get wet. I see some people is smoking, but I don't like to show you guys is smoking. Equipment, Royal Key, Saloon, Qatar Airways. No more umbrella. I like this. I'm getting wet, guys. I'm feeling very cold now. Nobody is walking outside now, only me, and I'm almost, you see, my glasses full of raindrops. Let me have one. This. I wanted to buy one Karak from here, but this is not a good Karak because before I already tried once. Well, my glasses is full of water drops and I have to clean it. Let's look for one Karak. Oh my god. So I just had my one coffee. Oh, but the water is coming inside my Karak. I don't know what is the shop name here. Green cafeteria. I am going green? No. I just like to go red now. What about green this time? And it's raining. It's raining. I'm not lying, you guys. It's raining and I'm in Qatar. I must have to buy a good umbrella now. Oh my god. I don't know, they will allow me inside with the Karak or not, so let me finish my Karak first. It's a nice one with a nice cup. You see? It's raining. It's just a 1 real, but you know, this is a medicine for everyone inside Qatar. They smoke too, but I don't smoke, but they smoke the cigarettes with a Karak. It's good. I found one person coming from Alcor, and when I was in Doha, he told me there was also raining on the way, but not like this much. Here too much. You see? Yep. But Alcor not that much. I wish there also will be more water on the ground for today only, yeah? Not tomorrow. Let's buy an umbrella before finish this karak. Because when I was taking a karak and there is no more rain, what is the benefits of buying umbrella, right? 1, 2, 3. Where can I throw these things? Okay, it's raining, too much raining. Oh, I see some people just walking with I don't know what is that. This is what? Wow. Let me throw this. Okay. Let's go inside this big shop. They told me this is a big shop here. I don't know. They have umbrella or not. I already asked 3 shops and they don't have an umbrella. You see, big raining inside Doha. Big raining. Big. Very big raining. I'm getting worried. How they will come out, you will see. Ah, it's just snowing. Why like this? Okay, let's go inside this shop and buy one good umbrella. Okay. Enter. They just put the umbrella in the cashier area, no? Yep, I'm going to buy one nice umbrella. But this is all for ladies, right? Ladies umbrella? Ah, no problem. It cost how much? 19. 20 years, no problem. Okay. All okay?
Okay.
I am going to buy an umbrella for the first time in Qatar because I already saw you there is a big raining. Okay. My glass is full of water drops and it cost only 20 years. Not 20, 19.
ठीक एक्शन
इधर
हाँ इधर वाइड लाइन शॉट हो
No, come closer. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. So, I am going to check around with this umbrella. Just maybe 5 minutes outside. So how people will react on me. Let's see. Now I am set. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Good to take the umbrella and taking it around. It's raining inside Doha. I finally got it. Okay. Nice umbrella. It's raining in Doha. Yeah. Oh, they are asking for my channel's name. It will be, yep, it sends for today. Rajiv. Yeah, they like to subscribe my videos. Okay, let me show you. YouTube Rajiv karke R-A-J-I-V. Yeah,
Rajiv
Karki K-A-R-K-I. Yep, that's all. Yeah, I am not popular in Doha, but you can subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. Yep. I found 2 subscribers here. That's good for me. Yep. Let's check around and go back to my room. I bought an umbrella today. Okay. So now it's amazing. Yeah. But I am feeling very cold, guys. Really, I'm not lying you. I want to sleep only now. I don't like to make videos. I'm feeling very cold and getting wet. Okay. This will be the end of my vlog now. Yeah. like this. Hazur? Yeah. People's are looking at me. Okay guys, this is the end of video, and keep watching my video, subscribe my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and lots of love from Doha and Nepal. It was amazing. World Cup 2022 is finished, and there will be more extra fun after running. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today for the first time in Qatar, I'm going to buy an umbrella because it's raining today.